2, 3, done, and 4.
नहीं और क्या नहीं मेरे क्या है इतना पास आके रिकॉर्डिंग कौन करता है यहाँ इंसान गिर रहा होता है ये कैमरा है नहीं बंदा यहाँ पर सो रहा है कैमरा बंदा गिर रहा बचाओ कैमरा बंदा स्विमिंग में डूब रहा है कैमरा
एक चीज always remember when you are on the head ramp, give your best, take your time. वहाँ पे ये नहीं कि this, slow, very slowly put your hand, then slowly look at the audience, wait, then wait. Then turn and wait. फिर से चेंज करो कभी सिंगल हैंड रखो कभी डबल फिर जब आप टर्न करें तो यू हैव टू लीव योर हैंड ये सारे पोजीशन अलग अलग एक पोजेस दो हैंड मूवमेंट में
मैं तो जीत ही रही हूँ मैं तो सब जीत गई
आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट मैम ने मेरे को जब कल अप्रिशिएट किया ना वॉज वेरी हैप्पी एंड मैं तो तभी जीत गया था
मेरे को डांटी पड़ रही पर जीत तो रही हूँ
दिखा दियो
चुप रह
दिखा दियो दिस इज विदाउट मेकअप आफ्टर मेकअप में दिखाएंगे बाय
अभी हम रैम्प पे जाने वाले हैं। आज हमारी अवार्ड नाइट है और नर्वस तो नहीं है बिकॉज टैलेंट राउंड में ऑन स्टेज प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी है, बट पेरेंट्स से मिलने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है।
यार मैं तो नर्वस हूँ टू बी ऑनेस्ट एंड एक्साइटेड भी हूँ एट द सेम टाइम। या
Hello everyone, I'm Jia and today is our award function. I am so excited and I'm so looking forward to मेरे को क्या award मिलेगा। हमें ये भी नहीं पता कि क्या क्या टाइटल्स हैं, तो ये बहुत बड़ा सस्पेंस है। So we're really looking forward to it.
Hi everyone, आज हमारा award night है. All of us are so dolled up and decked up and everyone is looking so beautiful. So we're just waiting to go on stage, get our subtitles, get our awards and फिर सोने की भी थोड़ी सी waiting है. But yeah, thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Nazria Sharma and today we all are ready for our first ramp walk after a lot of rigorous practice, and we are very excited to meet Pooja Banerjee as well as Ayub Khan sir, and everyone is looking so pretty and I'm looking so pretty and I'm so confident right now because हमने बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें सीख ली हैं and we are waiting for the moment now. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Angel Keswani, a 16-year-old girl from the cleanest city Indore, and as you know I am the finalist of Ali Club Miss and Mr. Teen India 2024. So it's our 8th day and it's award night. I'm so excited. I have recreated a Barbie look. You just look at me. I'm so excited that I will get an award. I don't know what subtitle I will get, but I'm so happy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Soumya Malkani, a 16-year-old girl from Indore. Of course मेरी performance तो अच्छी गई थी, पर अब मैं वेट कर रही हूँ ramp walk का. After that they will declare the prizes or the sachets and titles. So I wish for the best and I hope कि मुझे कोई ना कोई title अच्छे से मिल जाए. Thank you.
So आज हमारा अवार्ड नाइट है एंड हम सब डॉल्ड अप हो चुके हैं. वी ऑल प्रिटिली ड्रेस्ड अप. एट द सेम टाइम हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं रैम्प वॉक करने के लिए, पर उतना ही नर्वस भी हैं बिकॉज हमारा फर्स्ट रैम्प वॉक है. सो लेट्स सी कैसा होता है.
जोरदार तालियां विद अ स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन आई रिक्वेस्ट फॉर संबिता बोस.
Thank you so much for coming. Thanks a lot.
मेहनत किया है आपके बच्चों ने, सबने, और हमने, हमारे मेंटोर्स ने, सबने मिलके कोशिश की है कि to nurture them, to go into this industry. So I think we have succeeded, and since '97 we are succeeding. And these are your efforts as well, that you have always encouraged your children to, achieve their dreams. So thanks to you that you all are here today to encourage the budding talents. मेरा सिर्फ एक आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा कि this is a pageant, this is a contest, this is a competition. यहाँ पे विनर एक ही होगा, but they all are winners, trust me. यहाँ पे आए हैं, इसका मतलब है उन्होंने कुछ सीखा, कुछ अचीव किया. So रिजल्ट जो भी हो, इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म, इतने बड़े एक्सपोजर के बाद डेफिनेटली दे आर गोइंग टू रीच टू द हाइट्स. दिस इज आवर प्रॉमिस.
एक बहुत बड़ी फिल्म का शूट छोड़ के यहाँ आई है जस्ट फॉर 2 days. स्वप्ना प्रियदर्शनी, जस्ट राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हर. स्वप्ना प्रियदर्शनी. स्वप्ना इतनी सी थी जब आई थी, अब इतनी सी हो गई. मेरे से भी ऊपर चलेंगे, है ना? तो वो जर्नी जो एनी प्लेटफॉर्म से शुरू हुई थी, और आज जैसा मैंने बताया इनका चेन्नई में तेलुगु मूवी का शूट चल रहा है, तो वो बीच में बड़ी मुश्किल से एडजस्ट करके यहाँ पहुँची हैं। तो पहला तो आप अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताएं, दूसरा ये बताएं कि जब आप इन बच्चों के साथ डील करते हैं, उनको सिखाते हैं, तो अपने दिन याद करते हैं, राइट?
First of all, thank you so much to each and every member of my Ali Club family. क्योंकि 2017 से आज तक जितना भी प्यार मुझे मिला है, it just keeps growing and growing with every single day, and I feel really grateful to each one of you. And thank you, ma'am, Samita ma'am, and Mehta sir, and everyone for all the love. Namaste to all of you present over here. I'm so glad, I'm so happy to see you all here tonight. And मेरी journey के बारे में क्या बोलूँ? 2017 I started my journey with Team India, and ever since इस साल भी I almost missed most of the days, and I have reached आज सुबह, and ऐसा FOMO मुझे हुआ है। मैं जब भी शूट पे रहती थी, आई वाज लाइक अच्छा अभी ढोल बज रहा होगा, ओके अभी वेलकम हो रहा होगा, ये हो रहा होगा, वो हो रहा होगा, लाइक एक मिनट की भी शांति नहीं थी मुझे कि मतलब इट्स ओके जस्ट बी हियर। I literally missed everyone. I have seen how I was struggling in my heels, but I always knew where I wanted to be. And अगर मैं Ali Club टीम इंडिया में नहीं आती तो I don't know where मैं कहाँ होती, कैसे मुझे सही रास्ता मिलता क्योंकि do this now, do that now. I'm very glad I had Samita ma'am and Mehta sir every time to go to them, to ask them what do I do next, अब क्या, and अभी तक I keep sending my contracts to sir. I keep sharing about the stories, I keep updating them with every single thing in my life. So yeah, that is what Ali Club is to me. And my favorite part in modeling has always been the catwalk. And I was in Chennai, as sir said, because I was shooting a film, and मेरे पास heels नहीं थी. And एकदम सुबह की flight मैंने पकड़ी, and I was literally saying वो shopkeeper को please खोलो, मुझे heels लेनी है, so that I can just go and walk. And जब भी मुझे वॉक करने का मौका नहीं मिलता है इन टीम इंडिया, मुझे लगता है यार मैं सो गया. So I love this ramp, I love this stage, no matter wherever I go, how many award shows, how many reality shows I go to, this stage, this platform will always remain special to me.
Every time coming back, every year, this time is I feel blessed to get back to the stage. It's a blessed place for me and for each and every contestant today present here. So my journey started, I was a little girl, very amateur, like don't know what to do, how to start my career, and right now you can see all into me, like all shining from a model to an actor, and now also a mentor teaching so many people with like ma'am helped so much, right? So Samita ma'am did everything for us and she is still doing. I'm so grateful ma'am. Thank you so much for actually being the godmother to me. I always say thank you. I love you so much. Thank you. And this is how my journey started. I started from being the model, then I started doing acting, then it's just you have to believe and not give up. That whatever the procedure is, you need to learn each and every one. Even today, the subtitles and the award will be given. And it is very important to know that each one of them are a winner. And today, to all the parents, I really want to thank each and every one for believing in your child and sending them here and trusting their dreams. That's it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Next, Jasmine. She is a model for Times. Jasmine, you go to the
for all the finalists and the parents. Huge applause I want. Ali Club rocks. Ali Club rocks. Ali Club, I would say that it is not just a word for me. It is an emotion. It is a celebration of different teenagers coming together, showing what their culture holds, their confidence, their efforts during the training days and the grand finale. It is just a lovely thing to see. If I talk about my experience, I was a shy, introverted child, closed in a bubble, comfortable with the mom and dad, never used to step out of my house. But when I came to Ali Club, it just changed me as a person. Now that I'm speaking in front of you, I've evolved, I've grown, right? And that has been always possible because of Ram Guru Samrita Bose ma'am. She is the backbone who actually strengthened my weaknesses and just polished me as a person, my personality. Mr. Mehta sir, he is a fatherly figure to me, and whatever he has taught me, his words are always there with me, no matter what I do, where I go. Lastly, but not the least, Pushpa sir has actually taught me what confidence is. Whenever I used to doubt myself during my training days, he used to say, you should believe in yourself, and that is how I am standing here.
Adab, namaskar, good evening. Congratulations to all the parents over here. Looking forward to a fabulous evening. Wishing each and every contestant the very best. Mehta साहब, 26 साल हो गए एली क्लब को। मिस्टर टीन इंडिया, मेरे बाल सफेद हो गए, पर माशाल्लाह आप लोग को देखिए। चमक आपको बहुत बहुत Gorgeous. आपका जादू है, सब आपका जादू है। सफेदी में राज छुपा है। जी? आपकी सफेदी में राज छुपा है। या आपकी ज़रा नवाजी है।
A very good evening to one and all present here. I am Diya Singh, Ali Club Miss Teen India 2019, and I would like you all to give a huge round of applause to the Ali Club family. Ali Club! Ali Club! What a journey it has been. It feels so great to be on this stage and today as a mentor. Where should I start from? I remember coming here as a shy, introverted kid who had no idea how to speak. And these are not words, but I really mean it. I had no idea how to speak. I had no idea how to address the audience. But today I'm standing here in front of you all just because of Samrita ma'am. And thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I don't know what to say. This is an emotional moment for me. Actually, it felt really nostalgic standing here as a mentor. I mean, I was standing, sitting like a bag from पिछले साल पीछे बैठी मैं वेट कर रही थी अब मेरी टर्न आएगी अब मेरी टर्न आएगी and I was seeing my parents sitting just like you all with a hope and shine in their eyes कि अब मेरा बच्चा आएगा
आपके बच्चे को देखते हो स्टेज पे वॉक करते हुए, तो another level of confidence, another level of grooming. It feels so great. My mom started crying at that day when I came and I walked. And it's not important to be a winner. Actually, I wasn't a winner. I participated last year, 2023, and my subtitle was Miss Teen India Fashion Icon 2023. And it's really not important to get a crown and get the trophy as like a winner. No. Still, I'm standing here as a mentor and teaching everyone what I learned. And this platform has my whole heart. From the bottom of my heart and from the bottom of my family too, is so respectful. And like Samrika ma'am, obviously, she's just like a mother. As Diya ma'am said, she's just like a mother. Pushkar sir, just like my elder brother. And Mehta sir, obviously, he's my bade papa. I call him bade papa every time I meet him. Guys, I want to share one more thing. इस बार PE contest हो रहा था जब, I asked Pushkar sir, I really wanted to participate again. Because it feels so good coming here, standing and talking to you all. I wanted to participate again and again. But Pushkar sir said no, Mehta sir said no, you come, but as a mentor this time. And I still remember Ayub Khan sir when he awarded me. And he said, hi Ishika, hi fashion icon. And I go, hi sir. And he said, you have a really beautiful smile. I still have that memory in my mind.
Hello everyone. Thanks a lot. I'm thankful. I really appreciate everything. So, if we talk about my journey, in the start, I was very scared. So, I was very shy. I didn't used to open my mouth. I didn't used to talk to anyone. I was just there in the corner. Like, I made like 2 friends, and then I used to talk to them every single day, like the whole day, even during training. And that's when I got my first, मुझे जब पहली बार डांट पड़ी सर से कि हमारी ट्रेनिंग चल रही है and like I was creating a lot of illusions. मतलब me and my friends हम बस ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं but at the same time हम हंस रहे हैं बातें कर रहे हैं तो सर but at that time sir gave us the lesson of discipline and I'm telling you after that day till today I'm very disciplined about my work. I am really disciplined. I mean I believe that.
And then I met my father, Mehta sir, who I had an immediate connect with when I met a culmination of hard work, dedication, and so many things that we were able to imbibe by the 10th day. I still remember I was a little baby going to the kindergarten because I never stayed away from my parents.